Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. And obviously, I had to cover Kaspa again. All right, I hope you're all doing great. It's yesterday when we covered the video, or when we covered Kaspa. This is the 1 hour time frame. The price was down here, actually, like still below 10 cents. I still remember. And for those of you wondering, no, I did not buy. I should have bought, because in the video I said it would go up. If you watched the video yesterday, what I said is that it was most likely, like it's hard like predicting where the price goes when it's making all-time highs, all right? Because there's basically two things you can go off of: either a very weird trend line retest, potentially, or Fibonacci extension levels or psychological resistance levels. So what I said yesterday, that was the only last Fibonacci extension level plus psychological level, was this level between 13 and 12.5 cents. That was my price target. If you watched the video yesterday, if you did buy, then congratulations. I didn't. I should have. I mean, I know how strong Kaspa can be. I know the community a little bit at least. So yeah, that is what it did. It found some resistance here at around 11.5 cents, but from there it continued rallying, and it even broke above 13 and 12.5 cents right now. It seems to have found some resistance here, but then again, I mean, if you zoom out on the 4 hour time frame, for example, it's still super bullish. Like, this is only one red candle, and it hasn't even closed yet, so it could still turn green. And in terms of the open interest, Kaspa is still very strong. Like, the open interest has basically been growing for the last 24 hours from $11 million to 19, which is almost like, that's an 80% increase or something. So purely fundamentally and technically, Kaspa is very, very bullish. All right. Nothing I can change about that. So now the big question is all right, well, what's next? And will it rally up higher? I would have to say, I mean, I don't like to do this. And if you take a look at the last resistance levels for Kaspa, they're like 5 cents, around 5 cents, a little bit above that. Then a little bit right here at 7 cents and 6.5. Then right here at 9.5 and 9.59 cents. And then a little bit of resistance at 11.5 cents. So it tends to find resistance at those and a half cents. Personally, I mean, right now, I think the most likely scenario is that it will continue going up. It depends. Like, the main support level right now is 13 and 12.5 cents. I'm assuming, if you take a look at this open interest, I'm assuming that Kaspa will stay on top of that level, which, if it does stay on top of that level, that would mean that it's bullish and that it will continue going up towards 15 and 15.5 cents. And then from there, we'll see again. I mean, if it barely finds any resistance there, it could also get up to 17.5 cents. That's the next psychological resistance level. So still very bullish right now. It all depends. Like if to summarize this analysis, it all depends on whether it's able to hold 13 and 12.5 cents as support. Because if for some reason Kaspa breaks down below 12.5 cents and finds resistance there, all right, well, then the situation is different. Like, then it's more likely we'll drop down towards 10.5 and 10 cents, and then from there we'll see again. So in general, Kaspa right now is just very volatile. It's hard to predict. Looking at the numbers, it looks most likely that it will continue going up. Like, there's no indication that the momentum is slowing down at this moment. Absolutely no indication. So that's why I'm telling you, I think it's most likely it will go up to 15 and 15.5 cents. But personally, I think it's best to wait for confirmation. Wait for confirmation that it is able to hold this support level between 13 and 12.5 cents. If it's able to do that, great, still bullish. If it's not able to do that, then the situation changes. And that's possible because of this volatility and unpredictability. So bullish on Kaspa still, but please be careful if you're going to be trading it. All right, those are my thoughts. That's my analysis. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you're interested in signals or my premium group, as you can see at the top right there, links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.